Greetings, fellow YouTubers. This is Keith with the Cyber and You team. Today we're going over another quick fix on how to change the display name of a user on your Mac. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is hit System Preferences. We're then going to click Users and Groups. Now, assuming you're logged in as a root or admin user, or if you're not, as long as you have the admin credentials, you can go ahead and hit this lock icon here, allowing us to edit these other users. Go ahead and enter your admin credentials. Boom. All right, let's say I want to change the name of Robert Half to something else. If you're using a traditional Mac keyboard and mouse, you can just go ahead and hold Control and left click, hit Advanced Options. If you're using a non-Apple mouse, you can simply right click and then hit Advanced Options. Once you have the Advanced Options open, you're going to look for the full name, which is also the display name that appears on the login screen for your Mac. So I want to change this from Robert Half to, I don't know, John Michaels. Simply enter your desired name and you're done. Just simply click OK. And let's go ahead and hit that lock icon to make sure nobody else makes any further changes. And just like that, you've changed your user display name to John Michaels, or whatever it is you changed it to. As always, if you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.